The Puppy is the poem for class 5 in the Britannica series. Okay, here I think what I comprehend from this poem that is the poet didn't want that he can be grown up. He always want to be a child, and he always want to be innocent just like a child. He was so fascinated by a puppy and his innocent playing, so that he had written the poem. Now, the puppy can, the puppy cannot mew or talk. Mew is the voice of a cat, so a puppy cannot mew like a cat, just meow. And or talk. He never talk. बात भी नहीं कर सकता है puppy और mew भी नहीं कर सकता है. But he has a funny kind of walk. लेकिन उसकी जो walk है वो बहुत funny होती है. His tail is difficult to wag. Wag means to move from side to side. And that's what makes him walk zigzag. Come on, let me show you a video in which a puppy is wagging its tail. Okay, in this way he just wag his tail. So I think you ain't got that. Here is the puppy, he is just wagging his tail, and that would make his walk zigzag. Now next paragraph. He is the kitten of a dog. From morn till night he is all agog, forever seeking something new. That's good, but isn't meant to chew. He is a kitten of a dog. Here the meaning of kitten, what actually kitten is the baby of a cat, na? But here is the meaning of kitten is baby. He is the kitten of a dog. From morn till night he is all agog. It means whenever we see babies, they are all agog. Agog means they are full of energy from morning to night till they didn't slept. Agog means full of energy, overloaded with energy, forever seeking something new. A puppy always just seek. He just search something new. That's good, but isn't meant to chew. लेकिन इस लाइन का ये मतलब है बेटा कि एक पपी जो है हर समय एक नई चीज़ को ढूंढता रहता है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो उस हर चीज़ को च्यू कर ले, है ना, चबाना शुरू कर देता है हर चीज़ को. थर्ड पैराग्राफ. ही रोम्स अबाउट द ट्यूलिप बेड एंड chews the flowers white and red, and when the gardener come to see, he is sure to blame mama or me. He roams about the tulip bed. Tulip bed means here is an orchid full of tulip flowers. Okay, it just look like a bed. एक ऐसा गार्डन जहाँ पे सिर्फ ट्यूलिप्स हैं, वो दूर से हमें ऐसे दिखते हैं जैसे कि वो ट्यूलिप से बना हुआ एक बेड है. He roams. Now what's the meaning of roams? Roams mean playing roughly. ऐसे बच्चे कुछ नॉटी बच्चे ऐसे खेलते हैं ना, चिल्लाते हुए और जोर जोर से शोर करते हुए, नॉइजीली प्ले करना, बहुत इंजॉय करना. So roams means to plays roughly and noisily. He roams about the tulip bed. जब tulip bed के पास वो जाता है तो वो रोम करता है, बहुत चिल्लाता है और बहुत खुश होकर वहाँ खेलता है. And chews the flowers white and red. और वहाँ पर जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं उनको च्यू कर लेता है, तो ये थोड़ा सा रफ लगता है. And when the gardeners come to see, he is sure to blame mama or me. And whenever any gardener would see him, कोई बागवान जब उसको देख लेता है पपी को फ्लावर्स को च्यू करते हुए, तो वो फ्रॉन करता है, आंखें निकाल के देखता है उसके सामने. तो ये जो पपी है वो ब्लेम कर देता है किसी और को, है ना, कि ये मुझे उन्होंने करने के लिए कहा था. ये इन सेंस क्या मतलब है इसका कि एक पपी बोल तो सकता है नहीं, बट वो अपने एक्सप्रेशन से इतना मासूम बन जाता है कि ऐसे लगता है किसी और को ब्लेम कर रहा है अपनी गलती की वजह से. वन गेम दैट कैन नॉट एवर फेल, टू प्लीज हिम टू चेज हिज टेल. Okay, this is the favorite game of all the puppies. To catch one's tail twixt me and you is not an easy thing to do. Come on, I'll show you a video for that. Okay, in this video, look how a puppy is chasing its tail. It seems to be so funny. Okay, it's difficult to catch one's tail twixt and just is not easy to just hold it in his mouth. Okay, this is the game he forever likes. All the puppies, even the grown-up dogs also like this game. Fourth paragraph. If he has not a pretty face, the puppy's heart is in its place, I'm sorry he must grow into a horrid noisy dog, aren't you? Okay, now here the poem ends with a question. Okay, if he has not a pretty face, अगर इतना pretty face तुम्हारा नहीं है लेकिन तुम्हारा जो heart है वो अपनी place पे, it means your heart is very good, you are very good at your heart, मन से बहुत अच्छे हो पपी. आई एम सॉरी ही मस्ट ग्रो इनटू, लेकिन जब तुम ग्रो कर जाओगे एक हॉरिड नॉइजी डॉग बन जाओगे. हॉरिड मतलब जब ये जो डॉग है ये जब बड़ा हो जाएगा तो एक हॉरिड डॉग की तरह हो जाएगा, एक डरावने डॉग जैसा हो जाएगा. हॉरिड मीन्स एन अनकाइंड एंड हॉरिबल. ओके, आरंट यू मतलब ये इसी पापी से ऑलिवर हाफुल्ट उस पापी से क्वेश्चन कर रहा है कि तुम थोड़े दिनों में, थोड़े ही समय में तुम एक हॉरिड नॉइजी डॉग बन जाओगे, है ना, फिर तुम इतने क्यूट नहीं रहोगे जैसे तुम अभी हो. Okay, now let's see some words. Agog means very excited. Roams plays roughly and noisily. Twixt contraction between. Twixt का मतलब है अपनी किसी चीज़ को पकड़ने की कोशिश करना. Horrid, very bad. Okay, come on, let's see some questions we will discuss. Answer these questions with reference to context. And when the gardeners come to see, he is sure to blame Mama or me. So who says these lines? These lines, the poet Oliver Halford tell these lines. Second, what will the gardener see? The gardener saw him chewing the tulips, the flowers, white and red. Third, who is he in these lines? He is the puppy that the poet referred to in the poem. Next, what do the first two lines in the last stanza mean? The correct option. So what are the last two lines in the stanza? First two lines in the last stanza, it means the puppy is good and kind even though it is not pity, because his heart is on its place, means he is good and kind. Next, why does the puppy walk zigzag? Puppy walks zigzag in a funny way because its tail is wagging from side to side. That's why and that makes his walk zigzag and funny. What is it always looking for? The puppy is always looking for new things, okay, to chew. What game does the puppy like the best? That you all know, chasing its tail, okay, is the game he likes the most. What is the poet sorry about? The poet is sorry about that one day the puppy will grow up into a horrid dog. Why don't you think the poet does not want the puppy to grow? Because the poet does not want the puppy to grow up because he liked the innocence and the agog, the energy of the puppy. So in this way, I hope you like the poem. हो गया, बन गया पूरा वीडियो, बस 2 जगह